guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making beans cake, popularly known as Akara, here in Nigeria. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I already have my beans peeled and washed already, and guys, I made use of my blender to peel the beans and it was quite easy. Try it out and tell me what you think. So now I'm going to blend my beans. I'm using Scotch Bonnet, Habanero Pepper and some onion as well. So I'm going to add a little bit of water, just a little. So now my beans is blended. The consistency is not that smooth, just because that is my preference and that is what I like. So I will then incorporate air into my beans using as well my blender. It saves me a lot of stress, the traditional method of turning with a mortar. So try it out as well, guys. It saves you a lot of stress. So now I'm going to add salt and I'm going to turn my batter after incorporating air, and now it's time to fry. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil, not a little actually, and let it heat up for about 5 minutes on a medium heat. I'm going to add a little bit of onion and I will start frying my bean cake. And guys, I'm going to fry for about 3 minutes approximately. 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes I'll switch to the other side of my bean cake. And the method I use is I would looking at it now, you can see that the other side is golden brown, which means it's time to switch. And guys, I have switched already, and this is what my bean cake look like: swollen, attractive and golden brown. So it looks yummy. So I hope you try out the blender method in peeling your beans cake and also in incorporating air to your beans batter. So see you in my next video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys, please. Bye.